NANI?!
Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she love me. Say she love the way my chain sitting comfortably. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always winning, check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh.
I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
arguing with somebody's daughter, yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always win and check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh.
I like losing control. Like getting high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
May checkpoint. Okay. Kabilaan, no?
Always win and check the
Kabilaan yung ano, mamaya.
Oh.
Yari tayo. Ha? Nang? Ano sabi mo? Tapos doon pa sa ano, bugal yun. Mamaya. Hindi natin sure. Motor na naman. Kaya pala eh. Maluwag na naman. Tulog pa?
Oh, pasok mo.
Ang baba na.
Pasok ka.
Tulog pa ata. Ayun, oh. Gising na. Ayos ay ka. Kala ko di gumagana. Dito na kami kay Bayaw sa Aguilar. Aguilar, Pangasinan. Tulog pa ata. Ayan, oh. Kantahan ang birthday. Tulog pa ata. Tulog pa, tulog pa. Tulog pa ang birthday celebrant. O ayun. Wala kasing ano. May dala kaming kasama kaming bata.
Punta kami ng, ano yan, Mapita. Mapita, Daang Katutubo. Daang Bundok.
Hello.
Bundok kasi yun, bundok.
Hello.
So, papasyalan namin mamaya ng Nibayaw. So, mamaya pupunta kami doon. Pasyalan natin. Kasi bundok yan. Ganang-gano. Palambot ng kambing. Ayan. Ulutan namin mamaya, kambing. Ito yung lugar nila. Ayan. Malawak.
So ayun mga ka-vlog, pupunta na kami ngayon doon sa ano, Mapitak. Mapita. Daang Bundok. Tingnan natin yung lugar doon. Dito yan sa ano, may Pangasinan. Alright, bye bye.